Hi, I'm Beaver Buddy. Get ready for a magical children's story with an unforgettable moral about unity through art. What happens when strange beings from a faraway world gather to create joy instead of fear? On planet Tarsio, glowing skies welcomed a circus like no other. Leading the troupe was Zorka, a green-skinned martian with shimmering eyes and juggling comets that twinkled brighter than any diamond found across galaxies. Alongside him danced Vela, a tall, crystalline acrobat who bent light with her body, spinning rainbows across the horizon like ribbons of liquid sunshine. Their friend Gloop, a gooey blue shapeshifter, loved to twist into silly animals, causing children of Tarsio to laugh until their cheeks glowed bright red. Every evening, crowds filled the starry valley where the circus tent stretched taller than mountains, stitched with glowing threads pulled from meteor showers. The show began with trumpets made of starlight and drums carved from frozen lightning, shaking the ground and sending sparks of music swirling through air. Children gasped as Vela leaped skyward, her body refracting light into dazzling waterfalls of color that painted the clouds in stripes of magical brilliance. Zorka balanced 3 fiery moons while Gloop shaped himself into galloping unicorns, creating laughter so contagious, even shy stars winked above with joy. Suddenly, whispers traveled through the crowd that the Grand Star Council had forbidden performances mixing species, fearing chaos instead of harmony and friendship. Zorka trembled, afraid the circus would be torn apart forever. His juggling faltered, and one comet almost crashed, until Vela caught it with graceful ease. The council guards marched in, their golden armor blazing. "This circus must close," they boomed, "for it threatens the order of Tarsio's peaceful traditions." Gloop whimpered and melted into a puddle of sadness, his laughter gone. The audience gasped, confused, torn between fear of rules and love of magic. Vela stepped forward, shimmering brighter than the sun. "Art does not divide," she declared. "It unites hearts. Watch us, and you'll see our truth." Ignoring the guards, Zorka tossed glowing comets high. Vela caught them, splitting them into rainbow sparks, while Gloop transformed into a glowing phoenix. The phoenix soared across the sky, wings trailing shimmering particles that formed shapes of children holding hands, smiling without fear or prejudice. The guards hesitated, stunned by the beauty. Even their stern faces softened as the audience began to clap, cheer, and chant for the circus together. But suddenly, the council leader raised his staff. "Beauty deceives. Unity cannot come from chaos." He struck the ground, opening a rift of darkness. The circus tent shook, splitting apart as shadows poured out, trying to swallow colors, laughter, and light. Panic swept the valley like a roaring storm. Zorka cried, "We must fight with art!" He juggled faster, each comet bursting into glowing shields that blocked the creeping tendrils of dark smoke. Vela spun, her crystalline body blazing, bending light into a colossal rainbow bridge that trapped the shadows beneath its radiant, shimmering glow. Gloop dove into the rift, reshaping himself into a giant lock, sealing it shut with his gooey strength. The ground quieted, silence trembling in air. The audience gasped again, this time with awe. Children reached out, chanting the names of the performers, and even the guards dropped their heavy weapons. The council leader fell to his knees, his staff dimming. "I was wrong," he whispered. "Your art does not divide. It shines brighter than my fear." Tears glistened in Zorka's alien eyes. Then, Let us keep performing, not just for joy, but to remind every world that beauty grows when shared. The valley erupted in cheers, thunderous and joyous. Stars above burst into patterns of flowers as if the galaxy itself celebrated unity and hope. The circus from Tarsio became legend, traveling to distant planets, bringing laughter where war once raged and painting colors where shadows still lingered. Children told stories of Gloop the phoenix, of Vela's rainbows, and of Zorka's juggling moons that lit skies brighter than any council's decree. No longer was the circus feared. Instead, it was cherished as a living song, a reminder that rules built on fear crumble before genuine togetherness. In villages and cities, children painted murals of the circus, teaching adults that love and joy thrive when differences blend rather than separate. Moral: art and joy can unite even the most divided hearts when we choose to celebrate differences instead of fearing them. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.